What if the ability to stay young was attainable without drinking out of a magical pool that hasn't been discovered? Well, the answers to the mystery of youth extension have been discovered and are available to everyone. And the answers are a lot simpler than you might think. Dr. Alexis Carrel, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist, placed the heart tissue from a chicken embryo in a solution of nutrients. Each night, the depleted solution was replaced with fresh nutrient solution, and the toxins expelled throughout the day were discarded. The heart tissue and the nutrients continued to live for 29 years. The average chicken lives for only 7 years. Until one night, a lab assistant forgot to change the solution of nutrients. Dr. Carrel's awareness of the importance of orthomolecular science made this successful experiment possible, which revealed the importance of adding sufficient nutrients to the body. Orthomolecular science means using the correct essential molecules, those with which the body was created. So what keeps us looking young and staying healthy? There are only 3 main components that give the body back what it needs to stay young and healthy, which we call the youth extending essentials. Essential life enzymes. Nothing happens in the human body without enzymes. They are the catalyst. We are born with a finite amount of enzymes, and when the enzyme bank is exhausted, the body dies within 72 hours, whether you are 35 or 105 years old. We use up 50% of that bank by the time we are 25 years old. The body has an alarm that signals we will be dead at 40 at this rate and starts a conversion system. By the time we are 27, that conversion system is activated. The body ages more rapidly than any other time in its life between the ages of 27 and 35. This is usually when we start to notice wrinkles. Cells under the skin, in this case collagen cells, become so dehydrated that they cannot support the weight of the skin and the cells collapse. When the cells collapse in a row, the skin falls to fill the void left behind, which results in what we call a wrinkle. The collagen cells are dehydrated when the body lacks enough enzymes to protect cells from developing a protein shell, which doesn't allow water into the cell. Scientists have shown that by giving the body back the depleted proteolytic enzymes, wrinkles disappear in younger women and fade in older women. There are many uses and benefits of the ELEs, including helping with high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease, but we will address that in another installment. Molecular repair essentials. The human body is constantly trying to repair itself, but there are certain nutrients that the body needs for this to happen. When we don't have enough of these nutrients, the body gives us signs: wrinkles, heartburn, arthritis, high blood pressure, heart disease. Enzymes are great for preventing or repairing wrinkles, but they also assist with the digestive system. Since we overcook our food, we are killing the enzymes that convert food into molecular structures that can be transported into cells for essential repair. Since the digestive enzymes are not present at the first stage of the digestive process, the pancreas needs to produce twice the normal amount of enzymes to digest the food. As a result, the food is not completely digested, and some of it becomes toxic to the body and can build up as plaque in the arteries and kidneys. This also uses more enzymes that are so crucial to keeping your cells hydrated to keep you looking young. More has many other advantages, such as helping with colds and flu, fat loss, cardiovascular disease, herpes, and cold sores. It also helps to rebuild bones, skin, hair, and nails. It is a great natural energy booster. A lot of this is covered in later segments, so we will leave it at that for now. Correct essential oils. The third piece of the youth extending essentials is the one that gets the most attention, since it is the one that is the most versatile. These are the essential fatty acids in the form of the correct blend of omega-3s and omega-6s. The correct oils, in the correct proportions, have many functions to keep the skin and the body healthy. The CEOs re-oxygenate the cells in the body, including the collagen cells in the skin, once the proteolytic enzymes break down the protein shell that dehydrates the cells. This re-oxygenation prevents the cells from collapsing and creating a wrinkle, and helps to reduce existing wrinkles. The oxygen flooding into the cell doesn't just help with wrinkles. The CEOs are also essential for helping with fat loss, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer, but we will focus on your youth for now. What do you do next? After over 10 years of researching doctors and scientists' discoveries, many of whom are Nobel Prize winners, the simple answers have been discovered. By adding the correct blend of essential fatty acids and enzymes in the proper proportions to your body, your skin will look great and your body will feel great. So for anyone wanting to stay young and healthy for many years to come, all it takes are 3 simple ingredients. Take digestive enzymes, primarily protease, amylase, and lipase, every time you eat anything cooked. Take the proteolytic enzyme serrapeptase on an empty stomach, and take essential fatty acids, omega-3s and omega-6s in the proper proportions in order to extend your youth. we have developed a Youth Extending Essentials Kit, which contains the proper balance of nutrients, enzymes, and essential fatty acids to keep you young and healthy. The system consists of only the highest quality, all-natural nutrients to help the body stay young. We hope you have enjoyed the information we have discovered and provided for you, and we also hope you have learned from it. If you would like access to our Youth Extending Essentials Kit, as well as other helpful videos, please visit www.askinsiderdoctors.com.